Are you aware of how challenging this project is? Your resume is very impressive, but can you walk the walk?
I can walk the walk.
Good. Very good. I see you like tennis.
I love tennis. Running, jumping.
Ask him how many tennis balls he owns.
How many tennis balls do you own?
I just bought a bag of 50.
I think we have a new buddy.
Congratulations, sir. Welcome aboard.
You too can accept the challenge and become the ultimate buddy to an RSPCA animal. Your mission is simple. Select your buddy at rspcabuddychallenge.com.au. Promote your buddy as best you can and feel great knowing that every task you complete will help find an animal a home.
Yum yum. I'm going to have a shower later, aren't I?